In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite new people to your store, choose what they can access, and keep everything secure and organized. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store as an admin or as someone who has permission to manage users. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is your main home screen where you see your orders, products, and analytics. We're not going to change anything here. This is just our starting point. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all of your store's configuration options live, including payments, checkout, and importantly for this video, your users and permissions. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. Inside the settings page, find and click on Users. Depending on your Shopify plan and layout, this might be called Users and Permissions or something similar, but it will be the section that deals with who can access your store. Opening this page will show you a list of existing staff and collaborators along with their roles. Next, click on Add Users. This is the button that starts the process of inviting a new collaborator to your store. When you click it, Shopify will open a form where you can enter details for the new user. In the form, type in the email address of the collaborator you want to add. Make sure this is an email they actively use because Shopify will send the invitation there. Double check the spelling. If the email is incorrect, they won't receive the invite. You can usually add multiple users one by one if you have a whole team to bring on. Once you've entered the email address, click on Assign. This will move you to the section where you choose what they're allowed to do inside your store. Now, click on the role you would like to assign to them. Roles define their level of access. For example, you might choose a role that lets them manage products, handle orders, or work on marketing, while restricting sensitive areas like billing or store-wide settings. Think carefully about this step. Give them only the access they need to do their job. When you're satisfied with the role and permissions, click on Save. Shopify will send an email invitation to that collaborator. They'll need to open the email, accept the invite, and log in or create their account. After they accept, they'll appear in your users list with the role you assigned.